welcome to my channel. We're gonna do a brow review tutorial for this Kiss All-in-One Brow Pomade. So real quick, I've been using this literally for years. It is my go-to brow pomade. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna cut the top off. Oh no, you know what I did? I accidentally cut the tip of the brush off. All right, so now we have a portion of a brush here. That's all right, because we're gonna still do this. We're gonna still do it. All right, so you see it comes with little eyebrow outliner things and then the actual pomade. So we're just gonna try to frazzle dazzle the tip of those bristles to kind of help us out a little bit. And we wanna open up the little container of pomade. We wanna open it well. So I'm gonna use my tweezers to remove that little plastic wrapping thing that prevents it from opening, and we're gonna open it. Ooh, look at that. So it's like a nice creamy consistency. You can't really see it from the camera, but it's a nice creamy consistency. And it glides onto the brush very easily. So what I like to do is go through and outline the shape of my brow, starting from the inside portion of my face going to the outside portion. So again, just taking a moment to go slightly above the brow line. And then I'm gonna do the exact same thing, slightly beneath the eyebrow line as well. So more on the skin and right beneath like the hairs of the eyebrow. Going to fill it in from the tip because I still have a lot of brow pomade on there and I want to have like a nice faded effect. So I'm going to take my time and go from the tip of the brow back to the front, making super choppy short strokes. And I'm gonna use the little brush thing at the end to kind of fluff it up in the beginning. Oh, what's that little patch? All right, so we're gonna fill in that little patch using just a very small amount of the brow pomade. Look at that, before and after. I went from 47 to 22 in like 6 seconds. All right, so let's go ahead and continue to fill it in. Look at that, all right. Very nice. I like to make sure that they're not too dark because we're not going to walk around with Angry Bird eyebrows. Time for the second eyebrow. Here we go. Outline. Ooh, that was smooth. And now we're going to scoop up just a little bit more of the pomade and go right beneath our second brow, outlining it, pulling it to the tip and filling it in. Ooh, look, it's like we're coloring our face. Going back to the front portion, making sure it lines up with the eye. So when I do my eyebrows, I always make sure that I don't start it too far into where my nose is, so they're not long eyebrows, but also kind of lining up with the inner corner of my eye so that it freaking makes sense and it doesn't look crazy. Taking a moment to objectively look at my eyebrows to make sure they're looking like, you know, sisters. They don't need to look like twins, but you know, we want to make sure that they make sense. So I'm just looking at the mirror that we have slightly below. There we go, fluff them things out. Remove any oh, okay, look at that. Took off some years. There we go, let's fill in that tip. Because once I looked in the mirror, I'm like, whoa, we have a little spot missing. There we go, fill that in. Okay, you cute. All right, so this is what the pomade looks like. You'll see we only use a little bit. This little small square thing, doing it every single day, it lasts me for about a year. It's a little tiny, small case. And up close of the eyebrows. Wait, no, that corner is still not looking right. Yeah, let's go ahead and add a little bit more pomade and fill it in so we don't have a little bold spots. We don't want to be balding in our eyebrows. All right, this feels better. All right, yeah, okay, yes. Oh, look at that, Bob. Let's get it right. Okay, smooth it out. Eyebrows. Take care. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.